Hello guys, today we are catching scammers in Animal Company. I got a mining laser to trade. I already got someone, we're in a private code. Let's see what he has to trade for this. Mining laser!
Bro, I've been trying to kill the boss, bro, but I couldn't get the laser.
Skill issue.
I've been trying to do it on my own, it's just really hard. I'm gonna give you something really
you actually
good
sound
okay?
like a girl.
Bro, I don't sound like a girl, okay? I'm not a girl, I'm a boy. Okay, do you want this for it? Here, I'll give you this.
Okay.
Yeah? Hurry, stop laughing at me, okay? 3, 2, 1. Drop it. Drop it. Scam.
Boy, why you trying to scam me?
No, please give me this try again. Please give me this try again, bro.
Fine.
I didn't mean to scam you. I didn't mean to scam you, okay, please?
Fine.
Okay, you ready? Drop
3, 2, 1.
2, 1. Give me again. What? No! Please! No,
Scammer gets scammed, boy.
No, please! Give it back. I didn't scam you.
Oh, you see this?
Yeah, That's my bag with my Iron Man.
Go fetch, dog.
Please! Why did you do that?
Because you tried to scam me.
I didn't even try to scam you. Please,
bro,
just give it back.
You see this?
No,
you want to trade back? Trade back, dog?
Yeah, I'm just trade back, please.
Okay, get something else to trade.
I'm gonna give you this ukulele, yeah? This ukulele?
Okay, sure.
Okay, let me put it in the bag.
Okay, trade in 3. Why you
dumped
it out? Trade in 3, 2, 1.
Is that the bag? Right? What? Wait, what? You scammed me!
Scammer gets scammed.
Me! No! Why did you scam me? Why did you scam me? Stop it! Stop scamming me!
Nuh-uh.
Stop scamming me!
Scammer gets scammed.
Mommy, you're scamming me!
Dang, my stash is full.
Wait, please can you give me something now? Please can you give me my item back? Please can you give me my item back?
Then fetch it, dog.
Yes. Okay! No, please!
When he comes back, he'll probably report me, so... Let me join my fan code. Saya!